परमेश्वराय नमः। ॐ नमो नारायणाय नमः। ॐ नमो गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमस्ते। Let us learn about Sutra Neti Kriya in this video of cleaning the basal nostrils that we live in with what breathe we live in is called Sutra Neti process. Is excellent process. For this Sutra Neti Kriya needed items are: one is rubber tube or thread. This rubber tube has both holes. One is front side and one is back side. This is front side, this is back side. Boil the rubber tubes in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. And now wipe the rubber tubes with clean cloth. And now apply the cow ghee or buffalo ghee to the rubber tubes and fill a 5 to 10 drops of cow ghee or buffalo ghee with the help of a dropper in each nostrils. Observe during the Sutra Neti time which nostrils are running well and pull the rubber tube which nostril is running well and pull the rubber tube slowly without any fear. After pulling the rubber tube into the throat, slowly keep thumb and index fingers and pull out from throat and doing Sutra Neti Kriya. This Sutra Neti Kriya benefits. In mathematics, the solution to problems based on principle. Diseases in our body solve the problems based on Sutra Neti Kriya. Our headache problem, throat problems, running nose problem, cold and sinus problems, swelling of respiratory tract problems and asthma and shortness of breath problems. One way I will tell in a sense it solve all the ailments from the lungs to the head. Nowadays, especially the corona problem can be solved because Sutra Neti Kriya clean our lungs and nostrils so we can protect from corona. We are working hard with this body and buying houses, buying goods and buying vehicles. But the value given to them is not given to this body. We understand where the object in the house looking beautiful earned by this body, but it does not mean how beautiful the dimensions of this body are. We understand what's going on in the hard earned vehicle, but we do not understand what's going on in our body. The situation today is because the value given to tablets is not given to physical exercises. Whenever we value the body, then we will win. Now, watch carefully. I am doing find a solution to problems from your lungs to the head. Thank you. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti. Please read carefully description.